Jamaica, yo. So let's look at what pagans and paganism mean. Now, this word, no one seems to really understand it. And as Jamaicans, the majority just live by what they hear, through the ear, and if it sounds cool, them try to apply it to them life and speech, even though they have no clue or knowledge as to what it means. Some even say pagan, which is a popular bug or insect spray, just to show you the empty-headedness. The term paganism originally is pejorative and a derogatory term for deviation from the way taught by the prophets of the true creator into polytheism or the worship of anything, one or many idols, images, dimensional beings. Biggest example of this are the jinns, which people call devils, satans, or aliens, or doppies. These things are considered to be gods besides he who created all things, or as a share of divinity. So the term paganism implies the inferiority of these things and its people who are pagans under the banner religion, which is hiding the truth about the correct way of life, even branding it also as religion or being a part of religion. The term paganism was applied to any unfamiliar way of life outside true monotheism or subservience to the creator, who is only one supreme being. And the term pagan presumed a false belief in false deities. The Hebrew term Baal translated to God or gods. Do your research, people. Now, where do you fall? Are you outside paganism or inside it? This is a part of the grand scheme of the blind Illuminati Khazarians who are posing as Jews, Israelites, with the 13 bloodlines, which includes the Astor family who dominates the Western civilization, and their pact or contract with the jinn Lucifer. You call him Lucifer, him name Iblis, and his army of both men and jinn. And who are what are jinns? They are the first creation before mankind, but after the angels, with freedom of choice, and the majority hates humanity, and due to divine barriers, at times can't physically touch us as they would like to. So they influence us because rebellion and sins, which in turn can remove these barriers where actually separate them from we. This is why more or pure rituals the Illuminati do. When you look at sodomy, murder, corruption, fornication, adultery, anything of the negative, these beings are attracted to it. Jinns are beings created after angels and before human beings. The first with freedom of choice as human beings, made from scorching fire, smokeless flame, others with mixture of water and air. And they also lived on this earth before us, but are now thrown into a parallel dimension, still on this earth to ours. They can see us, we can't see them. The word jinn also means to conceal in Arabic, and they have done a great job of concealing our reality using the Zionist Khazarians of the Illuminati and their puppet celebrities and influencers in all forms. They include juvenile pranksters as well as powerful superior beings of their race. Iblis, the main one, with an agenda that is geared to us, ending up in hellfire at life's conclusion. But many don't try to understand. Even the Illuminati, seeing that they are being used to enslave us, these beings have influenced human cultures and religions since humanity began spreading across the earth. From past to present, they are behind UFOs, aliens, crop circles. They have abilities to cause hallucinations, psychokinetic effects, cattle mutilations, apparitions like you see in the dead, are weird beings and other paranormal phenomenon. And they like to shapeshift and usually does so to scare the unknowing human beings. They are also behind technology, and they are the main source of paganism. It's directed in their worship to filter. So paganism is basically their worship, directed to their worship. So to filter the lie that is religion and find truth, have a religious education class with yourself and revisit each religion. And the only one that worships no idol, image, or so-called moon god or gods, or whatever angels are, whatever you worship, are Muslims. And how can you find truth except from the source? But many are fed by their masters, so will end up in hell with whom they trusted and follow. We're going to do some research, people. Jamaica, yo.